I found another top from the op shop that I'd like to flip. It's designed to be oversized. It's cotton and linen, so a beautiful fabric. It's not very well made. The whole thing already falling apart. I love the look of the back. I've got to change the front a little bit. I think I'm going to unpick the center front and maybe add some ties and make it possibly cropped. I'll be back. Still have to add some little ties in, and I might scoop up the side and maybe bring that in slightly just to give a tiny bit more shape, but I'm already liking it way better. It's all done. I've just added 2 ties. I potentially could add a third. I'm still thinking that I could add in a little tuck, like a dart, but that just gives a little bit more shape. Or just leave it boxy. Cool. That was easy.